Good morning, everyone. I'm Meg Moore. Welcome back to Magnolia Community Garden and to the Charleston Parks Conservancy. You're here at our head office and our first garden that was created 6 years ago. So we're going to kind of explain what the community garden program is like and take you on a little tour. So we're going to walk and talk, and Kayla's going backwards, so everyone be kind to her. Think good thoughts. So these are our community beds again. They're longer. They're 16 by 4. And we work with our wonderful core volunteers. In this garden, it's on Tuesdays and Fridays. And we plant these beds together, we water them, we weed them, we maintain the areas around the beds, and we donate all of the produce to our local community partners. We now have eight that we're working with, and we're so proud to be working with them. And during the COVID season, so donating produce isn't our primary mission. It's about engagement and getting people involved in education. But during COVID, we really focused on producing food for the people in need in our community, and we donated 3,800 pounds last year. So that's exciting. But we're hopefully going to get back into more engagement and education. So how the community gardens work, we have 180 households gardening with us. We have community gardens, beds in each community garden. We have 3. James Allen Medway Community Garden, downtown Corinne Jones Community Garden, and here in West Ashley, Magnolia Community Garden. There's 60 leased beds in each garden, and at least 10 to 12 community beds, the long ones, in each garden. So how does this work? If you want to be a gardener, well, you go to our website. It's charlestonparksconservancy.org. If you don't have a computer, you can call us. So once you go to our website and you sign up to be on our wait list under the community gardens, once a bed becomes available, I will contact you, and then we'll set up a time to have an orientation. I'll take you through the gardens. I'll show you available garden beds you can choose from. Sometimes it's just one bed, and then you have tools available. It's $50 a year, but if you signed up in maybe May, it's prorated, so it's not always $50. If you wanted to renew your lease in January, it's usually January 1st, it's $50, but that's the whole year. We also provide free wood chips for you to compost or mulch around your beds with, and we have mushroom compost that gets delivered twice a year that you can amend your beds with. And we do have, again, wheelbarrows and tools that you can use as well. We just ask that you wash them and put them away properly. But we hope you'll sign up, and you can always contact us. You can call us if you have any questions. It will be directed to me, and I'd be happy to communicate with you and tell you more. So please join us, and please come out for any of our volunteering opportunities that you can also check out on our website. So have a great day, and happy January.